So we're going to start the MinecraftEdu launcher. The biggest thing I'm aware of is that sometimes it just goes slow in between clicking and waiting for something to open. I took this picture, by the way. It was pretty cool at Yellowstone National Park. How about that? I'm going to click MinecraftEdu, and then over here where it's asking for the login mode, MinecraftEdu, and launch. And wait. I just patiently wait. Sometimes it might read that it's not responding. Other times it kind of goes in more smoothly like it is right now. But I'm just patiently waiting, typing my username. It needs to have at least 3 letters. Then this pops up and it's you can click on continue and then pick your choices. I'm clicking single player. It says create a new world. In that case you need to name it, or you can play in a selected world. To create a new world you just have to name it. New world today. And then create the new world. And this should open up and you should be good to play. Here you go. Look at all that stuff, huh? Bang, bang, bang. Have fun playing. Tell your friends. Hit escape to exit. Then I can manage other things on my computer here.